So this USDCAD analysis for Friday the 12th of October. Now let's just have a look at when prices may likely go. So here on the USDCAD, we've had a pretty much perfect test of that 3069. We've had this slow retracement here. Had another move to test that 3069 again. I think we traded all it towards that 3072 or so. Did hold the 3069. We've seen this continued sales momentum. We've come in a whisker of that 130. So if we do test that 130, previous scenario was acted as resistance, possibly may act as support. If we do hold support around that 130, we're looking for a move up towards that 130.69. Successful break from which, if we can break that 30.69, previously acted as resistance on 2 occasions more recently. But if we do break that 30.69 here to the upside, possibly looking for a move up towards that 31.11 here on the USDCAD. Don't anticipate prices moving much beyond that 31.11. I definitely don't expect 31.88 to come into focus here on the USDCAD. If, however, we do see the breakdown from this 130, this consolidative move to the downside here doesn't suggest that the bears are in complete control of the market at present. The trajectory of the move to the downside has been quite slow, but if we did break that 130 for whatever reason, and we do see a quite great degree of if we do see a great degree of bearish momentum enter the market, we are looking for price down to this 129.44. Previous scenario, we found consolidation and support here on the USDCAD, and in around at 129.44 we do have the confluence of a 200 and 400 period moving averages, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that level. Don't anticipate price to move much beyond the 129.44 to the downside, so I don't anticipate that 129 coming into focus here on the USDCAD, but it will be the very next level of note if we do successfully navigate that 129.44. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts, the price is developing, so we get the scaling correct. So we have seen is price have come down towards the 27.78. We've had this fairly strong rally here to the upside on the USDCAD. Counted some difficulty around that 130, but we did see this pretty strong bullish day. Closing near our highs. May just be news related, testing that 30.69 almost to the pip, retesting that area again, and we are seeing a bit of a retracement here of the USDCAD. So we'll see if we can hold that 130 and see further recovery here to the upside on the USDCAD, and yeah, we'll see if we can have that further bullish buy side momentum. I suppose we should make a note that over the past couple of months, we have seen this move to the downside has been somewhat slow, but we have had a series of lower highs here on swings in the market. More recently, we have tested at 30.69, so we'll see if we can break above this most recent swing high here in the market. But from a daily chart perspective, but as we can see, we've had this consolidative move here to the downside, a very slow moving trend, suggesting that the bears don't have complete control of the market, as indicated by the frequency of our bullish moves to the upside here on the USDCAD, but it has been a move to the downside nonetheless since mid to late June, since forming our highs in around at 33.83. So we'll see if we can navigate that 30.69 and possibly realign with the previous trend prior to this pullback, which began in June, and see continued prices to head to the see continuation to the upside up towards possibly the mid 32s or even the previous highs of 2018 so far in around at 33.83. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the USDCAD analysis. Thanks for watching.